Today we're going to compare Nespresso Inissia and Nespresso Latissima Touch coffee machines. As we can see, Nespresso Inissia has only 2 buttons. It has very simple design. Here we have capsule input. It has also trash bin for the used capsules. Very simple to use and empty. Nespresso Latissima Touch, on the other hand, is more advanced. It has power button and 6 touch buttons for coffee options. As you can see, we can select both black and coffee with milk. The only inconvenience is that milk is marked as black and coffee as white, so it might be a bit confusing in the beginning. On the milk container we have a cleaning button and also a scroll to regulate the foam level. The input is also very easy to use and looks very nice with chrome design, but unfortunately it's very easy to gather fingerprints. Here we have 2 drawers. The first one is a trash bin for used capsules, and the second one is to regulate the height of the cup, so you can make smaller coffee on an espresso. The milk container is very easy to unmount and open. You can wash it in a dishwasher and store it in a fridge. As you can see, it's very easy to put back. Now we are gonna compare the water containers. This is the one from Latissima Touch, and we're gonna pour the water from the full container of Inissia. They seem that they have similar capacity, but when we pour the water to the one from Latissima Touch, we can see that it's much bigger. As we can see here, Inissia has only around 60% capacity of Latissima Touch. Now we are gonna make our first coffee. We will make an espresso on both machines and we will see if they operate in the same amount of time. So first one, Latissima Touch and Inissia. We are going to start them at the same time to see how long does it take. It looks like Latissima already finished and Inissia is taking a bit longer. Both coffees look the same. The level of coffee and the cream is the same on both machines. Now we are going to test long coffee. The procedure will be the same. We'll start both machines simultaneously to see which one performs faster. Let's put the capsules and start both machines. In this case, Latissima took a bit longer. The amount of the coffee is the same, but it seems that the long coffee from Latissima is a bit more creamy. To make coffee with milk with Inissia, you need external milk frother, and you need to move the cup holder to fit the glass. In Latissima Touch you can just hide the second drawer and the glass fits right in. Now I will fill the container with milk. Let's unmount it and pour the milk inside. Now we have to adjust the foam level and put the tube to the cup and insert the capsule. I'm selecting the latte option. If you drink coffee with milk, Latissima Touch is for sure a good choice, because as you can see, you can easily make several coffee options with milk and you don't need any external device to do it. And if you are a fan of black coffee, then Inissia should be more than enough for you. But both of these machines are very good devices and I think you would be pleased with either of them.